interesting points that people don't really know. I mean, the general people
This-
don't, the public doesn't
This
really
coal
know.
is
That's
good,
cool.
but what I,
Thanks,
you know, it's,
Yeah.
you see it black like this, well, it'll burn, it lights up, but it burns real yellow. So what I do here,
No heat,
you can
you're
see this
cooking.
grayer stuff, that's coke.
Yeah.
And
Now,
this
do
is
a
how you
little
make coke.
research on why the charcoal kilns that were all around the UP
Yeah.
were coking
We're
ovens.
coking,
They were taking hardwood and making coking coal, low oxygen coal,
Yes.
burning the moisture out
Right.
slowly,
and the
slowly.
impurities, and the impurities, that's the other thing.
Slowly doing it.
It's full
so
of
it-
sulfur, this anthracite, so when you pour that water on, it dries that sulfur out,
Yeah.
and it doesn't go into the.
Because you don't smell it here, very, you know, when I walk in here, I've had this running all day,
Yeah,
and I walk on a corner, I can only smell it at the doorway here.
yeah, there's
But
not
the
much.
fan is doing a good job,
Yeah, it's
pulling,
excellent job.
That is so cool. It's just so interesting.
Yeah. On that point out,